Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I will be showing you guys how I achieved this blowout with the Revlon one-step styler, something like that. So my first product is going to be the Lange glass hair. That's going to be my first one, and also I'm going to be using the Lange Heat and Humidity Tamer. It is just a thermal spray against heat damage. Always, if you're using heat, you need a heat protectant. It has 3 settings: cool, low, and high. Definitely, you cannot control the heat on this thing, so it will get super hot. So, warning on that.
Jack it up.
And then afterwards, I like to grab whatever pieces I have on the bottom and just pretty much grab the full section and then blow it. So this piece right here, before my middle section, I like to blow dry them all the way up and then come out instead of going sideways, because this piece with gravity is just going to fall down. The sections going up further up, you'll get a little bit more room to be able to come out and lift. And I do have a Lange product for root. It's the root booster from Lange, and it has just a little tiny nozzle, but it does shoot out straight. I like to put that in my roots. So let's get this section. I like to split it in half, that way I have more control over the hair. And I'm going to go up underneath it and also above it. And I just like to massage it in there.
Jack it up.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and tilt it, and just make sure that the root booster is all the way dried. I'm going to tilt it this way.
Jack it up.
Alright, so now I don't feel it anywhere in there. So now I'm going to go in with the Lange hair polish, and I'm just putting just a dab. And I don't like to put it anywhere in here just because it might get oily. So what I do is I'll just grab the section, and from mid shafts to ends, that's where I put this product in. I avoid my roots at all costs. So that is it, and that's how I build it. my hair. Oh, I love it. I love it. And it only takes me no more than 15 minutes to do this. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll be back. It's so smooth, like so soft. I dye my hair so much, like extremely a lot, and it doesn't feel damaged at all. All the products that I use were all Lange. It's just, I love it. I love it because it makes it shiny, it makes it smoother. I don't have tangles when I go in there. You know, like when you go to mess it up, you can still run your fingers through it. Just amazing. So that tool is a must, especially for wavy curly haired girls. Like I said, the only downfall is it does get super hot. But other than that, it does an amazing job. I know blow dryer and a brush, you're using both your hands and you're going and you're going and you're going. You'll get sore arms. Excuse my kids. You'll get sore arms. But that one is it's easy and it blow dries it super fast. So I definitely recommend that tool. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you think I should do next. Thank you so much for your view, and you guys have a good day.